Hi, I'm Ed Samuel, career coach with SamNova. Hey, thanks for joining us on this edition of Career Trails. Please like and subscribe to our channel. I'm here today with Kimberly Stout, who is our client engagement specialist. Kimberly, hey. So, we're heading a new trail today, like we usually are. It's called the East Branch Brandywine Trail, located right outside of Downingtown, Pennsylvania. It's a paved 2.4-mile trail with many access points off of Route 322. So off we go to see who we might run into this morning on the trail. Yeah, hey, thanks for stopping and chatting with us for a few minutes. What's your name?
I'm Kevin.
Kevin, hey, where are you from?
I'm from California, the San Jose area, but I live here in Downingtown.
Really? So what's your profession? What have you done in your career?
I'm a massage therapist currently. Kind of bounced. I've done a lot of things over the course of my life. I played online poker for a living. There goes my 2-year-old son. I worked as an aide in special ed classes, and then I kind of bounced around and did odd jobs before finding massage therapy.
How long have you been a massage therapist?
2.5 years.
Two and a half years.
2.5 years.
Wow. What did you go to school for originally?
I kind of have maybe about 2 years of college.
Yeah.
So I didn't go to school for anything in particular.
Where in California did you live?
San Jose area.
Yeah, I was there for 2 years.
Okay.
Yeah. Did you do the Redwoods?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. My wife and I, we go visit every time we go back.
What was what's been the thing that kind of kept you moving around from different careers from point to point?
So, I when I was young, I kind of fell into online poker. When I was in my early 20s, I made a lot of money doing it, and it allowed me to do whatever I wanted to do. So that was fun. My life kind of fell apart, so I cleaned up my act. I then fell into special ed.
Special ed?
Yeah,
okay.
Just working in special ed classes. It didn't pay great, but it was fulfilling for a while, and then it wasn't fulfilling. So I'd been studying self-improvement and healing for a number of years at that point. So I met somebody who had the idea of creating a healing center out here, which is how I got out here. It didn't go anywhere, but I'd been studying healing and self-improvement and wasn't able to make a living doing it, so that's how I landed on massage therapy.
Right. If somebody wants to be a massage therapist today, what do they have to do to become one?
Let's go to massage school. It depends on the state as far as how many hours the program is. In Pennsylvania, it's 600 hours.
Oh, wow.
It could be anywhere from 6 months to a year, depending on how the program's organized. But
super.
Yeah, you go through the program and then you take a board exam and that's it.
Well, any advice for someone who went through a career journey like yours? What would that one piece of advice be?
Yeah, my advice would be to stay broad in general for as long as possible, to sample a lot of things and find something that is inspiring and meaningful and enjoyable. And then once you find that thing, to commit to it.
Super.
Yeah.
Well, hey, thank you so much for joining us today.
You're welcome.
So here we are at the end of the East Branch Brandywine Trail. Before I leave you, here's the trivia question. This trail was once used for something else between 1902 and 1929. To find the answer to this question and get our career tip for the day, please go to our website, samnovainc.com, click on Services, and then Career Trails. Please remember to like and subscribe to our SamNova channel. So until next time, this is Ed Samuel, career coach with SamNova. Please remember, each and every one of you have the God-given right to get to that better place. See you on the trail soon. God bless.